Where else can you guarantee such results? Exactly, nowhere. And smart people don't miss such an opportunity and take advantage of it. A fully automated system requires no prior knowledge or experience in this field. All your money is safe, and you can withdraw it to your account at any time. What do you need to do to become a participant? Register. Fill out the following form. Wait for a call from the manager. A consultant will help you set up your account and provide all the necessary information. Many people have changed their lives.
Hey, listen, Ambani ji has offered a new project. He is getting us 40 lakhs of rupees by investing just 22,000. What say? Shall we?
Of course, if it's Ambaniji's offer, we must accept. Go.
Yeah. Getting registered, huh? Done.
What you're about to learn is an alarming scam targeting thousands of people across India and globally. The deepfake scam. This sophisticated fraud has already caused emotional distress and financial loss to countless victims, and it could happen to anyone with access to the internet. In today's digital world, we rely heavily on social media and online platforms for information, entertainment, and even financial transactions. However, this reliance has opened the door for scammers to exploit our trust in familiar faces and authoritative figures. Let's break it down. Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and you come across a video of a well-known celebrity or a respected public figure like Mukesh Ambani, Narayan Murthy, or even the finance minister and the prime minister. The video claims to offer an incredible investment opportunity or a life-changing product such as a cure for diabetes or a get-rich-quick scheme. The message is compelling and the person in the video seems genuine. You think, if this person is endorsing it, it must be legitimate. Intrigued, you click on the link provided in the video, make a payment or download an app. Now, this plays out in multiple ways. You pay the initial amount and then never hear back on this again. You may be added to a WhatsApp group giving you more investment advice with the aim of scamming you even more. If you downloaded an app and entered your personal and bank details, you will soon receive multiple SMS notifications from your bank indicating that a large sum of money has been debited from your account. Now here's what's actually happening. Scammers are using deepfake technology to create really convincing fake videos. Deepfakes use artificial intelligence or AI to manipulate video and audio, making it appear as though a famous person is saying or doing something that they actually never did. The technology is so advanced that it can synchronize facial movements, body language, and even voice tones to create a seamless and believable video. What you're seeing though is a real me, not a deepfake. In some cases, scammers may use deepfake technology to superimpose a celebrity's face onto existing content, making it appear as though they are endorsing a product or investment opportunity. They can create fake videos of public figures criticizing their own government or promoting fraudulent schemes. They exploit the trust people have in authority figures, such as politicians or celebrities, to manipulate them into making financial transactions. The manipulated video is then used to lure victims into making payments or downloading malicious apps, leading to significant financial losses. But why do people fall for this scam? The scammers often exploit powerful psychological triggers. 1. Authority bias. People tend to trust famous personalities or authoritative figures, making them more likely to believe the content of the video. 2. FOMO, the fear of missing out. The promise of get-rich-quick schemes or life-changing opportunities creates a sense of urgency, pushing victims to act quickly without thinking. 3. Curiosity. The intriguing nature of the offer or the involvement of well-known figures make people curious enough to click on the link or make a payment. 4. Desperation. In cases involving health-related scams, such as fake cures for diabetes, victims may be desperate for a solution and are more likely to fall for these scams. Most victims realize they've been scammed only after they've lost money, but by then it's often too late to recover these funds. Now, who are the targets? While anyone can fall victims to these scams, scammers often focus on individuals who are less familiar with digital technology and may not recognize deepfake videos easily. People who are financially vulnerable or looking for a quick investment opportunity. Those who trust authority figures and are more likely to believe content endorsed by politicians or celebrities. Elderly individuals who may be more susceptible to health-related scams and misinformation. Now you must be wondering, how can I protect myself? 1. Be skeptical of unexpected offers. If a video or offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always verify the authenticity of the content before taking any action. If you're unsure about a video, you can reach out to the Deepfakes Analysis Unit on WhatsApp by sending it on the number and code shown on your screen right now. 2. Never click on random links. Avoid clicking on links in videos or messages from unknown sources. Always download apps directly from the official app stores like the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. 3. Consult trusted sources. If you're unsure about an offer or product, consult a trusted source or fact-check the information before making any decisions. 4. Be cautious with health-related claims. Never take medical advice from random videos online. Always consult your doctor before trying to take any new treatment or medication. 5. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about the latest scams and share this information with friends and family, especially those who may be more vulnerable. Now, what can you do if you're targeted? If you've already fallen victim to a deepfake scam, here's what you should be doing. Number 1. Don't panic. Stay calm and avoid making any further payments or transactions. 2. Report the scam. Immediately report the scam to your bank and local authorities. In India, you can contact the cybercrime cell by calling 1930 or logging on to the cybercrime.gov.in portal. 3. Save all evidence. Take screenshots of the scam video, messages, and any transactions details. This evidence can help authorities track the scammers down. 4. Inform trusted friends or family. While I know it can be embarrassing, having support during this stressful time can be particularly important and reassuring. 5. Temporarily deactivate social media accounts. Consider deactivating these accounts so scammers don't have access to your contacts or personal information. But now you must be wondering, how do these scammers operate? These scam operations are often run by organized crime networks. They use deepfake technology to create convincing fake videos of famous personalities. They target hundreds of potential victims daily, knowing that even a small percentage who fall for this scam can generate significant revenue for them. They exploit psychological manipulation tactics such as authority bias and FOMO to increase the chances of success. They operate from locations with limited cybercrime enforcement, making it difficult for authorities to track them down. With India's rapidly growing internet user base, deepfake scams have become increasingly common. Reports to cybercrime units across major Indian cities now show a significant uptick in deepfake-related fraud cases over the last year. The scam has evolved from earlier text-based scams because deepfake videos create a more immediate sense of trust and legitimacy, making it harder for victims to dismiss them as fraudulent. Remember, your digital safety is in your hands. Stay alert, be cautious with unknown or unverified offers, and remember that your privacy and security matter more than the momentary curiosity about an intriguing video. If you find this information valuable, please share it with your friends and family, especially those who might be vulnerable to such scams. Follow us on X and Instagram. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more awareness videos on the latest scams targeting Indians, and help us create a safer digital community for everyone.